Hey, I'm Sarah Gaither with Carolina Pottery, and today I'm going to show you how to decorate a monogram, because down in the South we love our monograms. So what we're going to do is I'm going to prepare this one as if we're going to hang it on our front door, and we're going to come over to the side and doll it up a little bit. So the first thing I'm going to do, I have a bow, and you can check out any of our other DIY videos that are about bow making to learn how to do this. And I'm just going to take the wire and wrap it around the top of the letter and get that wired on. And because I want to make sure that that doesn't come off, I'm going to, on the back, just add a little spot of hot glue. And then I've decided that I want this to be, I'm going to set that there. I want this to be one that I can use from spring to summer. So I've added some yellow and daffodils and red daisies, and I'm going to come in and start to place those around my bow. So here I'm using my little glue pan, and around the bow I'm going to start to place in my flowers. There's no right or wrong way to do this. You're just kind of balancing out your colors, but it's really however you want to do it. And you can use all sorts of colors. You can make sure it matches your door, or you can do it seasonally. I'm just going to hold it up a second and see where I might want to add this last third daisy. I like to make sure I do things in odd numbers, helps keep it balanced. So I'm actually going to add this up at the top. Okay, now the last thing I want to do is I want to add some grass hanging around it, just to give a little extra dimension to it. So again, I'm going to stick this into my glue pot, come in, add a little bit of grass. Now, one of the things, once I'm finished and I've got everything on there, it looks a little bit too flat and clustered all together. So what I'm going to do, now that it's glued on pretty well, is I'm going to come and fluff my bow, and then I'm going to start to bend my flowers so that they actually stick out instead of look like they're lying flat. And then this way, again, you can see how by doing that, it just helps to make it really stand out. We want to make sure I don't cover up the letter, so I'm going to make this greenery hang down here. And now I'm ready to hang it on my front door. So thanks for joining us today. I'm Sarah Gaither with Carolina Pottery.